In a peaceful village, Leo, known for his gentle nature, wanted to learn how to make shoes. He apprenticed with Old Man Giovanni, the best shoemaker in the village, and learned the secrets of making shoes. Leo's passion for creating shoes that told stories and made people feel special led him to create his first pair of shoes for a little boy. The villagers were impressed with his talent, and Leo began to make shoes for various requests, from colorful to comfortable. Leo's dream was to create shoes that connected people, brought happiness, and created memories. One day, a young woman named Sophia came to his workshop to create beautiful shoes for her wedding. Leo worked hard to create the shoes, choosing soft leather, adding delicate vines, and making them look like they were smiling. Sophia was overjoyed when she saw the shoes, and Leo's reputation grew even more. People from other villages came to see him, and Leo was happy because he knew he was making a difference with his shoemaking. Leo, a renowned shoemaker, gained fame for his unique and beautiful shoes. One day, a traveling musician named Tom arrived in the village and requested a pair of boots with a built-in compass. Leo was inspired by Tom's adventurous spirit and designed boots that could guide him on his journeys and help him find new places to play his music. Leo meticulously crafted the boots, paying attention to every detail, including the compass's accuracy and ease of reading. The boots were stylish, featuring musical notes and patterns that reflected Tom's love for music. Tom was thrilled with the boots and promised to share them with others. Leo's workshop became busier as more people visited, sharing their stories and dreams. One day, another traveler requested shoes that would remind her of home, and Leo created shoes with charms that represented her home. Leo's workshop became a place where people shared their dreams and left with shoes that made them happy. He was grateful for the opportunity to make a difference in people's lives and continued his work, always listening, creating, and bringing joy to those who walked through his workshop door. Lily, a young girl with bright eyes and a dream of flying, asked Leo to create a pair of wing-like shoes. Leo listened to her and decided to make her dream come true. He sketched designs and chose soft materials to create beautiful and magical shoes. As he worked, he imagined Lily feeling happy when she wore the shoes, adding wings on the sides and ensuring they sparkled in sunlight. When Lily tried the shoes on, she felt lighter and faster, feeling as free as a bird. The other children in the village saw Lily's shoes and were fascinated. They asked her where she got them and told her about Leo, the shoemaker of dreams. The children were inspired by Lily's story and started dreaming about their own special shoes. Leo was delighted to see Lily's happiness and realized that by listening to people's dreams, he could create magic with his hands and bring smiles to their faces. More children came to Leo with their own dreams, and his workshop became a place of hope and happiness. Leo continued to create magical shoes, each pair filled with love and imagination, making people believe in the magic of their dreams. Leo, a renowned shoemaker, became a beloved hub for warmth and kindness. His workshop, filled with leather and golden thread, was a welcoming space where people felt at home. Leo's wisdom and gentle nature made him a haven for those seeking solace. One day, a woman came to him with a heartfelt need for shoes to bring hope. He crafted bright, cheerful shoes choosing small details to represent new beginnings. The shoes brought a spark of hope to the woman, who thanked Leo and left with a smile. Leo's kindness spread, attracting people from other villages to visit and share their stories. The workshop became a place where people shared their stories and left with a sense of hope and connection. As the village became more connected, people helped each other and shared their joys and sorrows. Leo was happy knowing his work was making a difference, as his shoes were symbols of hope, courage, and inspiration. The shoemaker of dreams created a place where everyone felt welcome and valued, and his legacy of kindness and creativity continued to grow. Marcus, a young man with a passion for shoemaking, sought to learn from Leo, a famous shoemaker. Leo saw Marcus's creative spirit and agreed to let him become his apprentice. Marcus learned to cut leather, sew pieces, and make beautiful shoes. Leo also taught Marcus the importance of listening to people and understanding their dreams and needs. Marcus worked hard and practiced daily, learning from Leo's wisdom and experience. One day, Marcus had his first big project, creating shoes for a little boy. With Leo's guidance, Marcus carefully crafted the shoes, choosing the right materials and adding special touches. The boy was overjoyed when the shoes fit perfectly and looked amazing. Marcus felt proud of his work and realized that making shoes was more than just a skill. It brought joy to others. Marcus and Leo became close friends, sharing ideas and supporting each other. Leo believed that Marcus would carry on his legacy and that the art of shoemaking would continue in good hands. Together, they created shoes that made people smile, feel brave, and dream big. Leo, a renowned shoemaker, decided to pass on his skills to Marcus, who was determined to make him proud. Leo taught Marcus about the importance of listening to people's stories and dreams, and how being a shoemaker was about connecting with them and bringing joy. Marcus promised to uphold Leo's values and continue his work with love and dedication, creating shoes that inspired and uplifted others. Leo and Marcus collaborated on a special project, creating a pair of shoes that symbolized the passing of the torch. They held a ceremony in the workshop, where Leo officially named Marcus as his successor. The village supported Marcus and admired his dedication, seeing how much he cared about his work and the people who wore his shoes. Marcus became known as the new shoemaker of dreams, and the workshop continued to be a place of hope and inspiration. Leo, now retired, watched with pride as Marcus flourished, knowing that the art of shoemaking and the joy it brought would continue for generations to come. The legacy of the shoemaker of dreams lived on, carried forward by the hands of a new generation. Marcus, inspired by Leo, became a skilled shoemaker who created unique shoes that reflected his creativity and imagination. His first creations were shoes that shimmered like stars on a clear night, using special materials to create a sense of walking among the stars. He also created boots that held wisdom, with intricate patterns and symbols that looked ancient and mysterious. Marcus also created sandals that whispered the secrets of the ancient earth, using earthy tones and natural materials. One day, a shy girl named Lily came to his workshop with a dream of shoes that would help her feel brave and overcome her fears. Marcus carefully considered her story and decided to create shoes that glowed with a gentle, pulsing light. When Lily put the shoes on, she felt a surge of confidence, telling her she was brave and strong. Marcus continued to create new and unique shoes, each telling its own story, inspired by the people he met and their dreams. His workshop became a place of wonder and imagination, where dreams were turned into reality. Marcus carried on Leo's legacy, creating shoes that inspired and uplifted others, making him the shoemaker of dreams. Leo's workshop in a village became a beloved place for people of all ages, offering warmth, kindness, and a sense of belonging. Families often brought their children and grandchildren to meet Leo and Marcus, who continued Leo's tradition of creating shoes that told stories and brought joy. Marcus listened carefully to visitors' dreams and wishes, crafting unique, love-filled shoes. Marcus was a good listener and offered thoughtful advice, understanding that sometimes people needed more than just shoes. His reputation as the shoemaker of dreams grew, and the village was proud to have such a talented and kind-hearted shoemaker. The workshop became a central part of village celebrations, with Marcus creating special shoes for children during festivals and holidays. The children loved their magical shoes and felt part of something wonderful. Marcus formed close bonds with the villagers, trusting him and seeking advice. As time passed, Marcus realized the true impact of his work, bringing people together and creating a sense of belonging. The workshop was a place where dreams came true, and everyone felt like part of a loving family. The village cherished the workshop and its magic, knowing that dreams would always have a place to come true. A traveling merchant named Ethan arrived in a village and sought out Marcus, the shoemaker of dreams, for his magical shoes. Ethan needed sturdy, comfortable boots for his long journeys and felt homesick, so Marcus designed boots that would bring comfort and a sense of home. Marcus chose the best materials and added special touches to make the boots unique, including small charms representing Ethan's home. Marcus created strong, durable boots, incorporating charms that represented Ethan's roots. Ethan was amazed by the craftsmanship and thoughtfulness of the shoes, and he promised to share the story about the shoemaker of dreams with others. As Ethan traveled, more travelers visited the village, each with their own stories and dreams. Marcus welcomed them all, creating shoes that reflected their heart's desires. Ethan and Marcus became good friends, and Marcus realized the power of his work. His shoes were symbols of hope, comfort, and connection, bringing people together and making them feel understood and valued. The shoemaker of dreams continued his work, creating shoes that told stories and brought joy to everyone who wore them. The village flourished, and the shoemaker of dreams' legacy continues to inspire generations. Marcus, a passionate shoemaker, wanted to pass on his craft to the next generation. One day, Emma, a young girl, came to the workshop and was fascinated by the beautiful shoes and their stories. She asked to be his apprentice, and Marcus agreed. Emma practiced cutting leather, sewing pieces, and designing shoes, learning from Marcus's wisdom and experience. As Emma learned, she also discovered the importance of listening to people's stories and dreams. Marcus explained that making shoes was more than just the craft. It was about understanding and connecting with people. Emma's first big project was creating shoes for a little boy for a special occasion. With Marcus's guidance, she carefully crafted the shoes, choosing the right materials, adding special touches, and ensuring they were comfortable. Emma felt proud of her work and realized that making shoes was not just about the skill, but about the joy it brought to others. As they continued to learn, they became close friends, sharing ideas and supporting each other. Marcus knew that Emma would carry on the Shoemaker of Dreams legacy, and the workshop continued to be a place of magic and wonder where dreams came true.